Namaste everyone, I am Kavita Pant, the Indian yoga girl, and I welcome you all to this channel, and I also welcome you to the second session of Yoga for Beginners. In last session we learned about 5 seated postures. In today's session we are going to learn some prone postures. Prone poses gives a really nice massage to your abdomen, expands your chest and gives a really nice stretch to your back. So if you are ready, get down on your mat and we'll get started. To start with, you can come down on your mat and first sit in Sukhasana. Bring your hands in Chin Mudra and relax them over your knees. Keep your shoulders relaxed and spine straight and close your eyes. Take a slow deep inhale and we'll start with the Om chanting. And now slowly you can open your eyes. From here we'll start our asana practice. So for that, first we are going to do Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. So to start Cobra pose, we'll lie down on our abdomen on the mat. So here you're lying down on the abdomen, your palms are going to come by the side of the chest and your face will be pointed towards the ground, forehead touching the ground, and your feet will be joined together. So look at the position of the feet. Feet are together and the upper arm is touching the side of the chest. So don't keep it open out wide. Keep them stuck by the side of the chest and elbow are really pointed back. Forehead on the mat, nose touching the ground. Now as you inhale, slowly start to lift your head up, nose up, chin up and hold here first. And then slowly lift your chest up. Now just lift the chest, do not lift your abdomen. Your hip should be touching the ground. Your abdomen is on the ground. Your elbows are pointed back. Make sure your elbows do not open out wide. Keep them pointed backward. Look up and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now as you exhale, slowly chest down, chin down, forehead down, relax. And now we'll repeat a second round of this. This time we'll try to go further high up. Make sure the position of your elbows remains same. Inhale, lift your forehead up, chin up, chest up and try to go as high up as you can. Arch your back, do not lift your hip off the ground and keep your elbows bent. When you take your hands off the ground, your maximum weight should be actually on your abdomen and not on your palms. You should be able to maintain this posture even without keeping your palms on the ground. See? And let's just hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Slowly bring your chest down, chin down, forehead down. Relax. Observe your breath. We'll repeat this one more time. This time we'll try to go further high up. So as you inhale, again lift your head up, chin up, chest up and lift yourself up till your abdomen. Again, don't make this mistake. Do not straighten your hands like this. Elbows are bent and pointed backward and up till your navel. You are lifting yourself up. Your hip are still on the mat. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your abdomen down, chest down, chin down, forehead down. Relax. Now to relax, what you can do, make a pillow with both the palms, place forward, join the toes, feet apart, place one side of your face on the mat and relax here. This is called Makarasana. This you can use as a relaxation posture. Keep breathing here. And relax. And now from here, moving ahead to the next posture, we are going to do Ardh Shalabhasana, half locust pose. So what we will do, we will take our hands underneath the body like this. Cover up your hand entirely underneath the body. Try to cover your elbow also, okay? You can make a fist or just keep your palms flat on the mat. Palms facing upward towards the thighs and your chin is resting on the mat. Look at the position of the chin. Now from here, as you inhale, you lift your right leg up without bending the knee. Your weight is transferring on your chin. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring the right leg down. So now what you have to notice here is that your weight is actually transferring towards your chin. We'll repeat this on the other side. Inhale. Left leg up, toe pointed, knee straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not shift your weight to the right side. Don't do this. Okay, keep the weight equally distributed between the right and the leg. And exhale. Bring the left leg also down. And once again, take your hands out. Make a pillow. And this time, rest the other side of your cheek on the pillow. Toes joined in Makarasana. Relax. Alright, now from here, we will move to Purna Shalabhasana or the complete locust. So for that, what we will do, we will take again both the hands underneath the body. So the elbows comes inside your body. Your hands cover up completely nicely. You can make a fist like this. Or you can just keep your palms flat, facing towards the thighs. Keep the elbows as close as you can. Now from here, as you inhale, you shift your weight, you transfer the weight to the chin and lift both the legs up higher and hold. Keep the knee straight, count for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as you exhale, bring them down, relax. Now, just one advice, if you're wearing any watch or anything, you just take it off because you'll find it really difficult. Your watch or your whatever ornament you are wearing, it might cause disturbance while you're holding this posture. So we'll do this one more time. So once again, take your hands underneath the body. Keep your knees straight. So the technicalities that you have to take care of in your mind is your knee has to be straight and your weight has to shift towards the chin. Lift your legs up. Hold. 10, 9. If you can bring the feet closer, this is going to be challenging. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if your feet come closer, this is going to be challenging. If it goes apart, this will become comparatively easier. And bring your legs down. And from here, once again, let's relax in Makarasana. This time on the opposite side. Let your breath settle. Now, few things that you need to take care of here is that your knee has to be straight and your weight has to shift towards your hand and towards your chin. These are going to support your body in locust pose. Now we'll move ahead to the next and the last posture, that is Dhanurasana, the bow pose. So for that again, we'll lie down on the abdomen, face on the ground, forehead on the ground. Palms can relax any which ways. Feet are at your hip width. Now bend both the knees and take your right hand, grab either the right foot or the right ankle. See wherever your hand is able to reach. Similarly, left hand goes to the left foot or the left ankle. As you inhale, you open the shoulders, lift your chin up, chest up, knees up, look up and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you exhale, slowly bring the knees down, chest down, chin down, forehead down. Relax. And we'll practice this one more time. So once again, feet either close or apart depending upon where you are today. Bend the knees. Grab opposite foot or opposite ankle. As you inhale, lift your head up, chin up, chest up, knees up. Higher, higher, higher. Try to hold and do not stop breathing. Continue to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you exhale, bring the knees down, chest down, forehead down. And one more time, just relax. Makarasana, toes together, heels apart. Observe your breath. And now to move out, just bring the palms by the side, push yourselves up, and you can sit in Vajrasana. So these were the prone postures that you can practice. These are really good for your digestive health, for your reproductive health. And if you're really new to it, you might find some of these really challenging. But as you keep practicing, your body will start adjusting to it. It will start to become stronger and more flexible with every practice that you're going to do. So I hope that was pretty much clear to you. So I'll meet you in the next video where we are going to learn some supine postures. What are supine postures? I'll tell you next video. Till then, keep practicing. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye. Namaste.